Ça c'est le bonnet des sportifs de haut niveau. J'ai fait 4ème au championnat. Ironman. Super. Bravo. En 2019. Et c'était où? En Afrique du Sud. C'était 2019-2020. Et vous continuez à... Et là, des semaines comme ça, c'est un peu compliqué. On rentre les mois. Ouais, c'est ça. Appelez-moi. 21, c'est ça, oui. C'est samedi? Oui. Alors, le coach qui a mis au tour et trouvé, c'est 255. Voilà, merci bien.
Oui, c'est bien. Oui, ça c'est super. Et du persil.
Oh, you're getting the garlic?
Non, du frisé, c'est moins cher.
Garlic?
Oui, yeah, we got the garlic. Parsley, garlic. We need the endive, but we go to another one. We need a pear. We need green and pepper. Ce sera tout pour moi. Deux tranches de foie de veau, s'il vous plaît. Et je vous vois souvent, parce qu'on habite juste.
We're in California because California is a huge, it's almost bigger than France.
Bakersfield.
Avec ces grandes avenues. Ok, du coup, je me fais griller. Ouais, bon, j'avais des amis qui étaient c'est vraiment délicieux. L'autre jour, je les ai fait avec des bons riz sans salade. Vraiment top. Bonne journée, au revoir.
Bonne journée, au revoir. Merci, madame, à bientôt.
À bientôt.
Merci beaucoup. Salut, à bientôt.
Thank you.
Cake for you and your husband. Oh. You should bring one for you tonight. Yeah. You stick it into the oven for a few seconds. They give you a crown, and the one who has the fava bean, is the king.
Is the winner.
Or the queen. It's a very famous tradition. It's from Epiphany, you know. And look, they're hot. As you can see, it's steamy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did at the school. We did like that for Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did like that.
So anyway,
yeah.
all January, you have it, and then they give you a bottle if you go above 30 years. So it's a pretty good deal.
Ça va. Alors, mais il me disait effectivement que les LGBT, c'est génial.
Ensuite, on va prendre. Yeah. Après,
oui, voilà, exactement. Oui.
On va prendre. Do you want strong or like a camembert, which is very popular, or more creamy, like a reblochon?
Make stronger.
Okay, so I would say half of a camembert because a camembert is amazing. Je voudrais juste être sûre que vous ayez un camembert mais qu'il soit juste parfait, bien affiné pour aujourd'hui. Et je vais le mettre, je vais le laisser sortir, hein, mais je veux juste être sûre. Et je vais prendre un chèvre, je vais prendre un crottin de chavignol. Frais, le plus frais possible. Bravo. La star de l'Insta. Attends, regardez, c'est au bon jardinier. Mais c'est sur leur poste, hein?
Ah ouais.
Vous suivez pas?
Non, je ne suis pas, moi.
Well, ladies, you're cooking.
Yay, that was fun.
We need a glass of wine for cooking. Right?
Yes.
And Tammy and I did all the chopping over here.
You guys did a
And
good
Veronica
job.
is teaching us how to make a chicken. And the name of the chicken, the name of the dish is?
Pintade. So we're making a chicken basquez, which is a specialty from Biarritz from southwest of France, Pays Basque, like we say.
Pays Basque.
And we use Supreme of Guinea-Franc, which is the best of the best. You tell me what you think. It's just going to be so good and it'll melt in your mouth.
Beautiful.
It's one of my favorite birds, actually. Yeah. There we go. Voila, and you keep turning, keep cooking. So we're going to put some salt and pepper and texture, and then hold on. Maybe what we are going to do is. You have to remove this for me. Hold on. Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. So what we are going to do is remove the chicken because it's cooked enough, and we are going to reduce considerably that sauce. This is important. You're going to reduce considerably that sauce, okay? So I'm taking the meat.
It's beautiful. You just keep it going on high until it gets
Very high.
okay.
You are going to remove sorry, yeah, no problem. What I wanted to remove is this that you don't need.
Oh, the parsley.
Yeah, actually, if you have like thyme, the bay
Bay
leaf,
leaf, all comes out.
It all comes out.
Okay, so you are going to remove all that. So a lot of people like the sauce like that. I prefer the sauce a bit more thicker. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of wine in this wine, just a little bit.
The wine will thicken it?
No.
No?
Wine and flour.
Oh, and flour.
Just a little bit of flour. Look how cool already. See? And you don't want it to stir because you want your meat to look good, your piece of veggies to look good. Okay? You don't want them to puree too much. You know what I'm saying? So you just actually we can even just let it reduce. We don't need to put actually flour and stuff. Let's reduce it gently. You're not in a rush. That's even better if you just let it reduce naturally. So we're going to get our plates, put them here, put the guinea fowl on the plate, put some veggies,
And then?
and then the sauce, a little bit of sauce. Okay?